The Aqara Smart Thermostat W200 is a smart climate control solution that offers precise temperature management, energy-saving automation, and seamless smart home connectivity. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Aqara Smart Thermostat W200, a base plate, a trim plate, and screws with anchors, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. Before installing the Aqara Smart Thermostat W200, turn off the main circuit breaker for safety. Remove the old thermostat cover without disconnecting the wires and take a photo of the existing wiring for reference. The W200 is designed only for 24-volt AC systems and must not be connected to high-voltage systems, as this can damage the device. Check compatibility by scanning the QR code and confirm if an Aqara C wire adapter is needed, especially for systems without a C or common wire. Select and label all wires connected to the terminals, ignoring any jumper wire between RC and RH or R terminals. Disconnect the wires, loosen the screws, and remove the old base plate. Use the included trim plate if needed, then position the new base plate, mark the holes, drill, and insert drywall plugs. Attach the base plate using screws and use the built-in level to ensure it is straight. Insert the labeled wires into their matching terminals, ensuring no bare metal is exposed to prevent short circuits. Secure all wires properly, press the thermostat screen onto the base plate, and select the wiring configuration on the thermostat screen that matches your connections to complete the installation. How to pair. Open the Aqara Home app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, and select Add Accessory. Scan the QR code or choose the Thermostat Hub W200 from the product list. Selecting the W200 under the HVAC category provides a step-by-step installation guide with a video tutorial. After completing the tutorial, scan the QR code shown on the device screen to connect and pair the thermostat with your network. Wiring diagram. Standard thermostat terminals. Heat pump system. Unused thermostat terminals. Incompatible thermostat terminals. Conventional heating and cooling systems. Heat pump systems. Stage heat pump with auxiliary heat. Smart features. Connects and manages compatible smart devices without requiring an additional hub. Supports Zigbee, Thread, and Matter integration for seamless smart home automation. Automatically adjusts heating and cooling based on schedules, sensors, and smart home routines. Helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while improving energy efficiency. Works with major smart home platforms, allowing seamless control and automation across different ecosystems. Supports integration with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, and Matter-enabled devices. Features an intuitive touchscreen interface for quick temperature adjustments and easy device control. Built-in presence detection helps enable smart automation based on occupancy and user activity. Supports multiple wireless technologies including Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Thread, and Bluetooth for reliable smart home communication. Provides flexible device integration and stable connections across various smart home ecosystems. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Aqara Smart Thermostat W200. See you in the next one.